Hello everyone, with this side from JNtech Networks. So in this session, we are going to discuss about what is network forensics, why we need this, and what is the methodology of applying the forensics in a real life scenario. Okay, etc. So basically, let me zoom this 1 second. Yeah. So basically, network forensics is a sub branch of digital forensics, which is also the sub branch of cyber security. Okay, which is relating to the monitoring and analyzing of computer networks traffic for the purpose of information gathering, legal evidences, and intrusion detection. So basically, forensics is all about monitoring, which is we can say recording also, and analyzing the same. So what we are going to analyze? So we are going to analyze the network traffic and how we will going to capture this network traffic using wireshark, which is known as packet capturing tool. Okay, so basically we will going to monitor, first record, and then analyze the traffic of a computer network traffic for the purpose of information gathering first, legal evidences, and intrusion detection. So why do we need the forensics, network forensics? Because suppose there is a malware inside a network, right? So how we can find that malware first? Okay, the file of that malware, the location or the source of malware, etc. Like we have to know the each and every detail, each and every detail of that malware. Okay, like where it is coming from, what is the source, what is the IP address, who is like with a compromised PC or system, who is the victim, or we can say that, okay, etc. So we are going to use Wireshark and Hex editor for this process. Wireshark for packet capturing and analyzing purpose, and Hex editor for like removing the extra bytes from the malicious file. Okay, for example, suppose there's a malware known, let's say with extension .exe inside your PK file. Then we have to submit this exe file to malware analyst team. Okay, for further malware analysis. Okay, so we need this exe file. So we can convert bytes into exe, or we have to remove some extra bytes from this exe file so that we can submit the exact exe file to the malware team. Excuse me for my handwriting. Okay, so we need these tools. Wireshark is open source, as you all know. Okay, and Hexadealer is also free to use. Okay, and we will going to use Windows for the analysis purpose. Now, so here we have some network forensics process like know your triggering events, have a goal, or packet capture analysis. So basically, like first we should know the triggering event. Okay, like it can be your IDS, it can be your IPS, it can be your firewalls. Okay, it can be your antivirus, your logs, or any employee or any compromised system. Okay, etc. It can be anything. Then your have a goal. Have a goal means like basically goal gives you direction of hacking or sorry of investigating in this case. Okay, so goals give you the direction of investigating. Okay, so we will follow a particular methodology first, and then in this form of goal, we will answer some questions like what is the source of that malware, what is the IP address, what is the port number, protocol name, and like time frame, etc. Everything. Okay, we will go in root cause of that malware. Then we will like for analysis, we should have the packet capture analysis file, which is PK file or PKBench file. Okay. Then triggering event can be IDS, your logs, your malicious or compromised system, time frame, etc. Now, next here we have a goal. So always have a goal for analysis and then prioritize your goals. Okay, for example, the goal. So in the form of goal, we will going to answer the questions. So for example, the question one can be, what is the IP address of the compromised system? Or we can say IP address, we can say host name, okay, we will say user account, okay, or what kind, question number second can be, what kind of attack involved in the whole process, okay, or how many attacks are involved, etc. So now here we have PCAF analysis methodology. So in this here we have pattern matching, list conversations, isolate and export and draw conclusions. So methodology is like it is a systematic process or a step-by-step process we have to follow. So first we will find some pattern inside that PK file or inside network traffic. Then we will list some conversations. Then we will like if we have any exe file, then we will isolate. Maybe this file can be or exe or PNG file. Maybe this file can be the malware. So we will first isolate and then export that file. Isolate means basically for the analysis purpose, we will going to use virtual machine. Okay, suppose you are downloading that malware from the traffic or from that PK file. So you cannot use your main Windows because these are like malware files which can harm your system. Okay, so for that purpose, we will use Windows machine, Windows 10 virtual machine. Yeah. Okay, because in this machine, like it is a virtual machine, so we can easily download or we can easily run the malware without any, harming any main system. So for this, this is optional basically. It's your choice to set up this Windows 10 machine or not. It's optional. Okay, but this is like the part of malware analysis because in malware analysis, like we have two types of malware analysis. First, static, and second, dynamic. So in the static malware analysis, we mainly focus on for like without running the malware. Like we analyze without running the malware. And in dynamic, we basically run the malware and we also reverse engineer the malware for the analysis purpose. Okay, and then draw conclusions because reporting is very important. Okay, and report should be clear and concise. Okay, then we will draw some conclusions. We will gather the hashes of the malicious file. Okay, like most important MD5 and SHA-1 and SHA-256 hashes, or we can say signatures. Okay, so these are the PCAF analysis methodology. So here we have analysis methodology, have a goal, and etc. So basically, we are going to start the malware analysis from tomorrow. Okay, so we will see some sample captures first. Okay, like in the sample captures, we will have like these are like the real life scenario only. Okay, these are like the real life scenario, and we will like use the sample captures for finding the malware inside the network with the help of wireshark. Okay, basically for these sessions, basic knowledge of wireshark is must. Okay, so you can also watch the JNtech channel for the basic knowledge of wireshark. Let me show you like some basic knowledge like the infra like the sorry interface of the wireshark, etc. Let me show you. So on YouTube, you can search for the channel name, which is G2Jeswal. And here, I think the playlist, yeah. And here you can search for, I think there's a playlist of Wireshark. Yeah, there's a playlist for Wireshark for for English and Hindi. So you can watch any of these. Okay. So you can just see these videos. Okay, you can watch these videos for the basic understanding of Wireshark. That is enough. Okay. And rest like the advanced part, the statistics session or the features of Wireshark or the advanced level features, we will discuss all these in the sessions. Okay, in the malware analysis sessions. So thank you so much. See you tomorrow.